Good morning students and welcome to my channel Feel the Science. Today we will discuss about product of two matrices. Two matrices A and B are conformable for product. A and B are conformable for product when the number of columns in A is equal to the number of rows in B. Suppose A is M by N matrix and B N by P matrix. Then their product AB will be defined and the order of AB will be M by P matrix. Is it clear? If the matrix A is of order M by N and B is of order N by P, then their product AB will be of order M by P matrix. Is it clear? Suppose a matrix C is of order 3 by 2 matrix and a matrix D is of order 2 by 4 matrix. Here number of columns in C 2 and number of rows in D 2, these are same. Then C and D are conformable for product. Then their product CD is of order 3 by 4 matrix. Is it clear? Now one question for you. Suppose a matrix A is of order 2 by 3 and B is of order 3 by 2. Then the order of the product AB is what? Tell me the answer and write it in the comment box, the order of AB. If the matrix A is of order 2 by 3 and B is of order 3 by 2, then the order of AB is write the answer in comment box. Okay. Now example. Now how we calculate the product of two matrices? How we calculate the product of two matrices? Suppose a matrix C, example number 1, a matrix C is equal to 2 minus 3, 4, 5, minus 6, 0. And a matrix D equal to 3 minus 2, 0, 5, 4, 1. Then order of C is here number of rows 1, 2, 3 and number of column 2. Therefore, C is 3 by 2 matrix and D is 2 by 3 matrix. So, number of column in C is equal to number of rows in D. Therefore, C and D are conformable for product. Then CD is equal to 2, 4, minus 6, minus 3, 5, 0. 3 minus 2, 0, 5, 4, 1. We calculate the product, multiply the row with column, first row with first column, then first row with second column and first row with third column and so on. See, first row, this element A11, therefore first row with second column, that is 2 into 3, corresponding element 2 into 3 plus minus 3 into 5. Is it clear? 2 into 3 plus minus 3 into 5. Then this number, this element is A12, isn't it? A12, that is first row, second column. Therefore, first row, second column, 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2 plus minus 3 into 4. Next, this element is A13, isn't it? Therefore, first row and third column, first row, third column. Therefore, this is 2 into 0 plus minus 3 into 1. And see, matrix C is of order 3 by 2 and matrix D is of order 2 by 3. Therefore, their product CD is of order 3 by 3, isn't it? 3 and 3, 3 by 3. So, there is A13 element, first row, multiply first row with third column. Next, this element is A23. So, second row, this element is A21. So, second row with first column. Second row 4, so 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Is that clear? 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. Next, this element, second row with second column. Therefore, 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 4. And this is second row, third column. 4 into 0 plus 5 into 1. Next, minus 6, third row with first column. Minus 6 into 3 plus 0 into 5. Next, third row with second column, minus 6 into minus 2 plus 0 into 4. Minus 6 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Is it clear? We repeat again. 2 into 3, first row with first column, 2 into 3 plus minus 3 into 5. Okay. Next, first row with second column, 2 into minus 2 plus minus 3 into 4. Then first row into third column, 2 into 0 plus minus 3 into 1. Okay. And so on. Then second row with first column, 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5, 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 4, next 4 into 0 plus 5 into 1. Then third row with first column, minus 6 into 3 plus 0 into 5, minus 6 into minus 2 plus 0 into 4, then minus 6 into 0 plus 0 into 1, okay, equal to 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 minus 15 minus 9, minus 4 minus 12 minus 16, and this is 0 minus 3. 12 minus 25, 37, minus 8 plus 20, 12, 0 plus 5, 5, minus 18 plus 0, minus 18, 12, 12 plus 0, 12, and this one 0, 0. So this is product matrix and this is a product 3 by 3. So our answer is correct. Okay. One more example, see. One more example, example number 2. A matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and a matrix B 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the order of A is number of row 1 and number of column 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Therefore, A is of 1 by 4 order and B here number of row 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 and number of column 1. Therefore, AB equal to here number of column of A is equal to number of rows in B. So, A and B are conformable for product. Then AB is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal to 1 into 1, first row with first column, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4 equal to 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 16, 30. And the order of this matrix 1 by 1, 1 row and 1 column. Okay. Now another example. Example number 3. A matrix A equal to 1, 2, 3, find AAT, that is transpose product of A and transpose of A. So, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then A equal to AT equal to, that is transpose of A equal to 1, 2, 3, isn't it? This one 1, 2, 3, 1 by 3 matrix and the order of AT 3 by 1 matrix. Here number of columns 3 and number of rows 3. Therefore, A and AT are conformable for product and the order of A and AT 1 by 1, isn't it? Then AT 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 equal to 14 and this is of order 1 by 1 matrix. Therefore, our answer is correct. Okay. Now, equality of matrix. Two matrices are said to be equal when they are of same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Okay. Two matrices are said to be equal when they are of same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Now for example of matrix equality, equality of matrix, equality of two matrices A and B are said to be equal when they are of same order and the corresponding elements are equal. Now see, a matrix, there are two matrices like this. Now this one, example number 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix x minus z minus x minus z minus x 7 minus t 6 plus z. This matrix is equal to 3 minus t 5 minus t t plus 5 x minus y. Find the value of x, y, z and t. Since these two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements are equal, that is x minus z is equal to 3 minus t, minus z minus x is equal to 5 minus t, 7 minus t is equal to t plus 5, 6 plus z is equal to x minus y. Now we start from this matrix, 7 minus t is equal to t plus 5, minus t equal to t plus 5. Then minus t is equal to 5 minus 7 minus 2t is equal to minus 2, t is equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. Now minus z is equal to 3 minus t. Now put the value of t is equal to 1. So x minus z equal to 3 minus 1, x minus z equal to 2. This is equation number 1. And then minus z minus x equal to 5 minus t. Here also put the value of t, that is minus z minus x is equal to 5 minus 1 minus z minus x equal to 4. This is question number, this is equation number 2. Now adding 1 plus 2. Adding 1 and 2. X minus z minus x is equal to 2 plus 4, isn't it? Then x minus x cancel, minus 2z equal to 6, z is equal to 6 by minus 2, 3, therefore z equal to minus 3. Putting the value of z in 1, we get x equal to x minus z equal to 2, z equal to 3, x minus 3 equal to 2, x plus 3 equal to 2, therefore x is equal to 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1. Now from this element 6 plus z is equal to x minus y, that is x 6 plus z is equal to x minus y, or y is equal to x minus 6 minus z. Value of x is equal to x minus 1, 6 minus 6, and value of z is equal to minus 3, minus 7 plus 3 equal to minus 4. Therefore the required answer, that is x is equal to minus 1, y equal to minus 4, z equal to minus 3, and t is equal to 1. Okay. So thank you. Wish you all the best.